So question 2 now is a number machine, and it's got, from the input you subtract 7 and then multiply that answer by 3 and get the output. So they've said multiple choice here, circle the answer. When the input is 4, the output is. We've got to choose which of these. Okay, so if I follow the input machine, I'm going to have, I start at 4, and then if I subtract 7, I'm going to get minus 3, and then if I multiply that by 3, I'm going to get minus 9. So the answer is minus 9. Now, question B is when the output's 15, the input is, and I've got to choose. So the best way to go from here, I'm going from the output to the input. And the best way to do that is to go backwards, doing the reversal. So the first thing to do is I'm going to go this way now. Go in the opposite direction. Instead of multiplying by 3, I'm going to divide by 3. And that's 5. So I'm going to write 5 here so I know. And then the next step is, instead of subtracting 7, I'm going to add 7, which is 12. So I know the input would be 12 here. And just to check that it's right, if I follow the input machine, 12 take away 7 is 5, times by 3 is 15, and the output's 15. Yeah, so it checks out. And then question C is, when the input is n, what is the output? Well, if I follow this machine, I've got n, then I subtract 7, then I multiply it all by 3. So if I write that down, I've got n, and then I subtract 7, and then I multiply all of that. So if I'm going to multiply all of it, I'm going to put brackets around it, and I'm going to multiply it all by 3. Another way to write this is 3 bracket n minus 7 close bracket.